Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about Genesis mining. Alright, let's begin. Genesis mining is a popular crypto mining platform designed for both beginners and experienced users. It offers a seamless way to participate in cryptocurrency mining without the need for expensive hardware or technical expertise. Once you sign up and choose a mining plan, the platform provides access to its state-of-the-art mining farms located in regions with low electricity costs to maximize profitability. Users can mine top cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, selecting plans that cater to various budget levels. Genesis mining prides itself on transparency, regularly updating users with detailed statistics about their mining progress and earnings. This makes it easier for anyone to track the success of their investment in real time. The platform also emphasizes security, ensuring that users' funds and data are safeguarded through robust encryption and multi-layer protection. Additionally, Genesis mining is known for its excellent customer support, offering help through email and a comprehensive FAQ section to address common concerns. The Genesis mining dashboard is intuitive, giving users access to a wealth of information about their mining activities. You can adjust your mining allocation between cryptocurrencies at any time, providing flexibility based on market conditions and personal preferences. Furthermore, the platform regularly runs promotions and offers that allow users to get more value from their plans. For those new to cryptocurrency mining, Genesis mining provides plenty of educational resources to help them get started. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even those with no prior experience can navigate the system and begin earning cryptocurrency efficiently. Experienced miners can take advantage of advanced options to fine-tune their mining strategies. If you're looking for a way to enter the world of cryptocurrency mining without the complexity of managing hardware and software, Genesis mining might be the perfect solution. It's a trusted name in the industry and has garnered positive reviews for its reliability and ease of use. So that's all about Genesis mining. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.